dead battery here. I'm gonna go through the settings here. Turn that around so we can see it. So if you've got a battery that's not completely dead, this has an auto on function. So we just obviously connect our hot and ground. And let's see what happens. So this came on as normal. Now I'm going to give it a try. Now if it doesn't kick over, then I'll show you the setting for force start. But you can see there I got nothing. Let me see. Oh, that did it. So in this situation, I did not have to do a forced start. I thought I would after I came in and looked at the voltage, and it was not even showing anything. I turned the key, and then nothing happened. I was like, okay, I got to go out, and all of a sudden it just turned over. So the box took care of everything. It just was a little delay, and then wham, fired it right up. This truck's been sitting for months.